In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the pane of glass that's embedded in your door or window frames. Accidents can happen, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to resolve it yourself. To remove the glass, I'm going to start by using a chisel, a paint scraper, or anything else quite hard and metal that I can get in between the wooden beading and the door. With the beading removed, I can then remove the broken glass and then insert a new pane inside the rebate. To begin, I'm going to use my paint scraper. I'm going to locate the beading. The beading is held in with pins that are quite hard to see, but they are visible. I'm going to insert the scraper within the gap and start slowly, carefully wedging it off the door. For this part, I'm going to be wearing gloves because the glass can be quite sharp, especially where it's been broken. Sometimes when removing the wooden beading, the small pins will get stuck within the door rather than being pulled out with the bead. This is because they have very small heads, which makes them a pin. If this happens, you just have to grab a set of pliers and slowly and carefully wedge them out of the door. With all of the wooden beading now successfully removed and all of the nails plied out as necessary, I am free to lift up the glass and safely remove it from the door. With the old pane removed, I can now safely put in the new pane within the rebates of the door. With the new pane of glass now in the correct place, I'm going to start reapplying the wooden beading on all four sides. I'm going to do my best to reuse the pins supplied and use the holes left over from when they were removed. I've taken my time and slowly re-added all four of the wooden beading around the glass, ensuring the pins are fully embedded into the wood so they're not showing. With that now complete, the door is ready to rehang in my log cabin or summer house.